Hi students, today we are going to see or we are going to learn very interesting topic and also it is very useful to us also. Listen, therapeutic action of drugs. How the drugs are, what are the drugs we are using as a treatment purpose. Okay, therapeutic action means treatment. So generally biology, the field of biology is explaining about treatment of all this because we need some biological reactions also. Generally we know that how we are using as a treatment. If you eat oily food, what will happen? It will make some acidity, burning sensation in our stomach. Then what will you do? Usually we are taking acid means because of acidity, because of excess of segregation of acid, hydrochloric acid. So how will you neutralize? You want to add base like aluminum or magnesium hydroxides. Magnesium hydroxide like we will add, but which is not a permanent treatment. Okay, see what will happen. Because of this addition, it will increase the alkaline solution, that means basic nature. So that basic nature may increase the secretion of a HCl, but anyway whenever you are adding, that time it may neutralize, but which is not a permanent treatment. Then what will happen? We have to find actual reaction of that segregation of HCl. So we want to find the receptor present in the cell wall which is used for segregation of HCl. What is the receptor present? That is nothing but histamine. Histamine receptor present in the cell wall, that is stomach wall, which only the used to segregate HCl. HCl acid only we segregated in the stomach for the digestion purpose. Okay, see that receptor we have to control, then we can automatically control the segregation of HCl. So for that we can use some drugs. What type of drugs we can use? Cimetine or Rantam. This tablet you may hear many times. Okay, or you may go for any treatment, they will give some tablet, along with that they will give Rantam also. Why means because of taking drugs, that medicines, your stomach may segregate more amount of acid for the digestion purpose. So avoiding the acidity, they will add along with the tablet Rantam tablet also. Ranitidine. So like this, if you control the segregation of HCl, so we can avoid the acidity, right? So ENO and other we are using for acidity, that only aluminum or magnesium hydroxides. That is direct chemical reaction, but it will not control, but it will give sometime relief. But permanent relief, if you want, you have to use biological medicines like Rantam or Cimetine, right? So this like we are going to learn many types of drugs and their uses. So what for we are using, what type of reactions the drugs doing, like we are going to see now. The first one is tranquilizer. So what is tranquilizer? Particularly we can say for nerve system. If you want to stimulate or control the nerve system, we can use this tranquilizer. In that we have two types. One is major Another one is minor. So major tranquilizer examples are calopridol. One more is there, clozapine. What about the minor tranquilizer? That means maximum we will use, small amount we will use, like that we are segregating, classifying tranquilizer into two. The minor ones are diazepam and another one Valium or alprazolam. So like we can divide the tranquilizer. Now we will see the uses of this tranquilizer drug. How will you use? See, generally we can say tranquilizer used for controlling the nerve system. Okay, right, blocking the neurotransmitter. See, that neurotransmitter only transferring the signals to the brain. That brain will control or will give the order to create pain or some other signals. Okay, so if you control the neurotransmitter, we may not have any feelings or pain. That's why we are using this tranquilizer for stress. If you feel stress, anxiety or depression, sleep disorder, okay, like all those nerve related disease, you can take care or you can overcome by using this tranquilizer. The next drug, analgesics. Analgesics. So what is analgesics? This drug which is related to painkiller. We will say, painkiller. So relieve the pain, we can use this analgesics. That analgesics also we can divide into three category. The first one is, here you have to know that narcotic, non-narcotic. What do you mean non-narcotic? Which will not produce sleep. Narcotic means it will produce sleep. Yes, that non-narcotic analgesics, without making the sleep, it will relieve the pain. That is called analgesics. In that we can divide anti-inflammatory. Another one is antipyretics. The last one, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. Non-steroids, steroidal inflammatory, anti-inflammatory. Okay, so why we are dividing all those things? All are used for relieve the pain, but which having unique action. That's why we have three category. Okay, so example for anti-inflammatory analgesics, acetaminophen, that is also called a paracetamol, well-known tablet, paracetamol. Some more examples also are ibuprofen, aspirin, we know that aspirin tablet, all these analgesics. Antipyretics, here we have to remember, particularly for reducing the fever, we should use these antipyretics type of analgesics. Example, acetyl salicylic acid, that is nothing but aspirin. Aspirin, another name, acetyl salicylic acid. Then paracetamol. The last one, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, only one, ibuprofen. So now we will see the overall uses of these analgesics. See, usually reducing local inflammatory response. What do you mean local inflammatory response? See, particularly we may have pain in our finger or one hand or one leg or particular parts. If you have pain, you can relieve by using this analgesics. Okay, used for short term painkiller, so which may not be permanent one for 1 hour. For example, if suppose some stitches they are doing in our body, that particular part we should not have any consciousness. For that we can use, right, analgesics. Then muscle strain, then arthritics, this all those we can use. Muscles cramps, if you have, you can use this, like spray we will use. Then many others such as fever, reducing fever, particularly I told you know antipyretic, which is used to control the fever. Then aspirin also used for very important heart attacks. You can remember they may aspirin 1 more. Okay, for heart attack, which one is helped? Aspirin tablet. And then another type of reaction, how it is reducing the fever means which reacting with hypothalamus. So the lower part of the brain, we know that hypothalamus, which is used reacting with that hypothalamus, which reduce the fever. Okay, the last one, non-steroidal, which is having protosterone gland induced increase in the temperature, that already we know that. Okay, structures also given, we have to go through this book. The next drug, opioids. So this also called narcotic analgesics. So narcotic means you have to remember it will induce the sleep. So here morphine, codeine, morphine, codeine. Like we have the example of opioids. Then what type of relief it will give? This also like analgesics. See, relieve pain and produce sleep. That is important because of narcotic. Then very important, if you take more amount, that poisonous doses. Okay, if you take more doses, it may create coma, or alternatively it may produce death. So it should not take overdoses. Then it is used for long-term relief of severe pain, mainly used post-operate pain. Okay, for the operation we'll use, for 1 day or 2 days they should take rest with sleep. So like that operation part, they will use this type of narcotic analgesics. The next one is anesthetics. Anesthetics. See, what is anesthetics? See, this is also like painkiller, but which is not a pain reliever, which makes the unconscious or senseless in the particular part. Okay, so based on their character, we can divide into two categories. The one is local anesthetics, another one is general anesthetics. See, what is local anesthetics? If you have some stitches, or if you want to make the particular part of that gum of the teeth, or some part, if you want to make consciousness for sometimes, means we can use local anesthetics. Particularly we can say particular part you want to make unconsciousness or senseless, means we can use local anesthetics. Okay, so particular part of the body we can make it. This is nothing but general anesthetics makes overall consciousness. This is very important. Reversible. Why they are saying reversible unconsciousness? We should get again consciousness. Okay, even though if you use unconsciousness, it will make general anesthetics. See here also that local anesthetics having two types. One is ester linked, other one is amide linked. We know that ester linked means it may have ester functional group. Amide means amide functional group. Examples are procaine for ester link, procaine. For amide link, lidocaine. Then general anesthetics also having two. One is intravenous inhalation. General anesthetics also we can divide. One is intravenous inhalation. Local anesthetics divided into ester linked local anesthetics, amide linked local anesthetics, like intravenous general anesthetics, inhalation general anesthetics. Here also we have the different examples. Propofol for intravenous, propofol. For inhalation general anesthetics, isoflurane. Yes. Now we will see the example for local anesthetics or uses of local anesthetics. See, in the area which applied, that particular part or area alone makes unconsciousness. Blood pain perception that transmitted via peripheral nerve fibers. See, pain means it is related to nerve. Okay, so the particular nerve system is blocked by this local anesthetic, so it makes some unconsciousness. Often used during the minor surgical proceeds. Okay, so for minor surgical process we can use local anesthetics. For general anesthetics, reversible loss of unconsciousness for whole body it will make. Then we may not have the sleepiness. We can see, but we may not have the feeling. Often used for major surgical process. The last one for this class, antacids. This already we know that. What is antacids? See, antacids is nothing but if you eat oily foods or hot foods, you may have the more segregation of HCl in our stomach. So we may feel some burning sensation in stomach and just area. So reduce that burning sensation. We will take some alkaline parts like milk of magnesia. Some examples. Milk of magnesia is nothing but magnesium hydroxide. Already we have studied. Alumina, that is nothing but aluminium hydroxide. So like calcium bicarbonate, aluminum hydroxide, ranitide, cimetine. There are many medicines they are given. Already we have discussed about these antacids examples. Okay, how they are treating. It is also related with pain, means related with what? Nerve system. But that the stomach burning also neutralized by acid. Okay, so because of acid segregation we are getting this burning sensation. So we have to neutralize with base. That's why we are adding the basic drugs. Uses, we may have the burning sensation we can overcome. Remaining the drugs we will see in the next video. Thank you.